Weight loss, 5 morning drinks to reduce belly fats. 1. Fennel water. Fennel seeds are a normal alleviation to combat indigestion and bloating. Fennel has some diuretic homes that help detoxifying you. Detoxing has been intently linked with weight reduction. Fennel seeds are also fruitful in boosting your metabolism. Mix a teaspoon of fennel seeds in water and depart it in a single day. Strain and drink the water subsequent day. 2. Gia water. You have used them on your curries and rate, now use them to soften some stomach fats. Gia water is a best low-calorie drink that helps increase digestion and metabolism. It is also priceless in suppressing starvation and accelerating fat-burning process. Add a teaspoonful of Gia into a glassful of water and go away it in a single day. Strain the drink and eat very first thing in the morning. 3. Ajani water. Ajani seeds or carom seeds are recognized to rev up metabolism naturally. In step with Dr. Nish Shawnee, practitioner at Nutria. Recommendation again is priceless in boosting digestion and absorption of meals. As a result of less room for fat storage, it finally results in weight loss. Soak 2 teaspoons of dry roasted Ajani seeds in a cup of water overnight. Mix the water well and have it subsequent morning. 4. Lemon water. It's summers and we're craving nimbus pain every hour of the day. Do you know commencing your day with a pitcher of lemon water would do wonders to cut your belly fats? Lemon is filled with antioxidants and pectin fiber that may help soften stomach fats. Take a pitcher of water, add a pinch of lemon juice and a teaspoon of honey. Drink it very first thing within the morning for high quality outcome. 5. Green tea. Green tea has emerged as quite a rage in the world of health and nutrition. The beverage is full of antioxidants, specially catechism, that's identified to raise metabolism naturally. Have it without sugar. You can also wish to add a pinch of lemon to spruce it up.